Hi, welcome back. In this video, let us see how to display the weather forecast from our terminal. So we don't need to use a browser to get the weather forecasting details. So from the terminal, by using a single line command, we can get those details. So for that, we need to open the terminal, and here we're going to use the two commands, curl and wget. Either we can use curl or we can use wget. So make sure these two commands have been installed in your computer. If not, see the description for the procedure to how to install that. So now let us assume that I have installed both the commands, and I'm gonna make use of curl command. So I need to type curl followed by http://wttr.in. Press enter. So when you press enter, you see it will give the weather report for my nearest location along with the details for the next 3 days. So I haven't specified my location, so from my IP address it will fetch the nearest location and it will give the details. So say like you don't want to get the details for your nearest location, you want to get the detail for a specific place. Say like you want to get it for London. So I'm going to specify here /London. See, I'm getting the weather report for London along with the forecasting details for the next 3 days. Suppose if you want to download this as an image and you want to share it with someone, means with the help of wget command you can do it. Wget followed by http://wttr.in/London. Okay, you need to specify the format, image format .png. See, it says it has been saved, and where it has been saved is it is saved in the desktop. So now let us go back to the desktop and see the file has been saved here. Let me open it. See, the weather report has been saved. So this is how we can play with the terminal, and we can make use of a terminal to get those weather reports. Thank you.